Hi, believe this or not, today's May 9th, 2020. It is snowing outside in New York City, Zone 7A. Now, normally you wouldn't think that would happen, but it is. Check this out. So, see why my garden is not done? Because I have snow. So let me turn this around. You check this out. Can you see all that? Check that. See all that? It's snowing. Now that might not be hard. Look at this. And the sun just came out. The sun just came out. This is crazy. Anyway, I just want to run outside and get this real quick and take my little self back inside. I tell you, times are changing.